Hello everybody, Assalamualaikum. This is me, Tawsif Ridoy. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to buy iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the time to upgrade my mobile phone because most of the time my audience are saying that what kind of camera do you use because your video footage is not clear enough. Currently I'm using iPhone XS Max, so I think this is the right time to upgrade my mobile phone so that you can get better quality on my video. Hopefully you are going to enjoy my upcoming videos with iPhone 14 Pro Max. So right now I'm at Elizabeth Street in Hobart. So I'm going to visit Optus. I think this is the latest phone and I'm super excited with that, and hopefully you all guys are going to enjoy that. So no further to anything, let's jump into the video. So guys, this is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I want to buy this phone, and let's check the configuration of that phone. This is 128 GB. So I like the purple color one, so I will ask them they have purple color or not. So, and I need also 256 GB because I'm buying this phone to making video. So I don't think so 128 GB is enough for that. So okay, I love this one, and right now I'm going to talk with the salesman. So guys, right now I'm at home. There was some policy issues so that I couldn't make all the video in store. So right now I'm going to unboxing my phone at home, and also I'm going to share a story with you how it has become possible for me to buy this phone within a short time. Before starting video, if you are new in my channel, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. So I'm going to open it right now, and I'm very excited. What the hell? This is iPhone XS Max, and that's not my new phone. And that's the phone that I use to make video. But right now I'm going to make video with my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So I couldn't wait for this time. That's why I just unboxed it before. And right now I'm making video with iPhone 14 Pro Max. And let's see what else I got with iPhone 14 Pro Max. So there is a one tag and with this pin and nothing else. This is my bad luck. I did not get anything with iPhone 14 Pro Max because I can't wait for any special day. I wanted to buy this phone and just I bought it. So right now I'm going to tell you the story how it has become possible for me to buy this expensive phone by myself. You know what? You have to leave your comfort zone, otherwise you can't reach your dream life. That's true. From my experience, I would like to say you leave your comfort zone, and inshallah you are going to get your dream life. Your parents already spent so much money on you so that you can get quality education. They never ask you to do something
whenever you are doing study. This is the right time to do something, and this is the right time to take a step for your dream life. How it has become possible by me, because I always try to do something by myself. When I was able to understand that, okay, if I want to reach my dream life, definitely I have to sacrifice. First of all, I sacrifice everything in my country. uh, when I just completed my HEC. After that, I tried to do something by myself. And most of my known people already know that what I did in my country. I tried to do business and I was very successful in my position. But after that, I thought that no, I need more. I just sacrificed my comfort life and I came to Australia, and I'm doing very hard work in here. I never thought that I have to do so much struggle in Australia. I thought that it would be easier as like my country in Bangladesh. So whenever I was in my country, whatever I wanted to do, it becomes very easier for me. I don't know why. Allah always helped me, and I always try to do something by myself, and I only believe on Allah. Allah can do anything. So definitely, if you want to reach your dream life, first of all, I would say that, so definitely you have to have a dream in your life. And secondly, you have to be passionate with your dream life, and you have to be hard worker in your life. And you have to sacrifice your comfort life so that you can get your dream life. And I will approach you to leave your comfort zone. If you are living in rural area, in a village, you can leave your village just to move to city. And if you are in city, if you are thinking that you are in comfort zone, just leave the city and come to abroad, because it will change your life. Right now, I bought this phone, and this is around 1,50,000 taka, and I can afford it right now. But it was very difficult for me when I was in Bangladesh, because I couldn't afford it. So right now I can afford it, and I have also a luxury car, and that was impossible for me in my country. How it has become possible for me? Because I left my comfort zone behind. I always try to do something. Whenever I got comfort zone, I thought that no, every successful man has a bad story in their life, and I think that that's their struggle. So right now I'm doing struggle in my life, and I think that I'm on my way. And inshallah, one day I will get my dream. Be passionate. If you want to come abroad, definitely start now. Don't be lazy. If I can do it, you can also do it. Whatever you want in your life, pray for this. Allah can do anything. Why I'm just unboxing my mobile phone to you? That's nothing. That's a simple thing. There are so many things are waiting for me. So this is just to inspire you, so that you can do something by yourself. And I will suggest you leave your country. You have to move somewhere where you have so many opportunities to reach your dream life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos.